Hey guys, Tony here. I don't usually give out all my plays, but I bought this Align, or what is it, Align Technology, for about a month. Well, about what, July 9th, so 2 weeks out, I think. Um, I bought a $640 call for July 9th. I did look at the TA, and then we are gonna close bullish for this week, and it usually looks like Align likes to rally about like 30 to well. Historically, it's about 50 points. I'm being safe, and I'm only doing about from lows to highs. It's about 50 points, but I'm doing lows to highs, like 40 points just in case. It does it in about a week or two, and I bought about like 2 or 3 weeks out. 640, so like 30. So yeah, like 40 points out instead of 50 points out. I bought it for a $640 call for July 9th. I do think that Align Technology is gonna rally to at least 630-ish, 640-ish in about the next 2 weeks or so. I'll see you guys later, and I'll probably drop the TA on this on why I thought that sometime later today after work.